Hello guys, today we will learn how to add virtual disk in Linux using VMware or VirtualBox. When we want to learn about disk partitioning using fdisk or swap space management or logical volume management, we need to have a free disk in our system. But by default, when you install Linux in either VMware or VirtualBox, there is no extra disk or free disk available. So today we are going to learn how to add virtual disk in Linux using VMware or VirtualBox so that the primary disk is not impacted, or you can say that the existing data is safe. Let's consider that you want to learn about creating disk partitioning. For that, you want to work on a free disk. So you use the lsplk command to view the list of all disks and partitions. You will see an output similar to the one that you can see on the screen. So there is no free disk to work with. There is only one disk /dev/sda. So it is highlighted only by SDA. Now the SDA is having two partitions here, SDA1 and SDA2. So now if I want to learn disk partitioning, how can I do it? Because I don't have a free disk to use or a free partition to use. So we will learn to add a new disk by using VirtualBox first. Now start your VirtualBox. Make sure that the virtual machine is not running. So none of your virtual machine should be running, or more specifically the one in which you want to add the new virtual disk should not be running. So I will add a virtual disk in the Red Hat machine. Select the virtual machine if you have multiple ones. So select the one in which you want to add the disk. Click on settings. Now click on storage. So you can see that there are already 4 disks that exist in my system. So I'm going to add another one. Click on the controller, the plus button on the right hand side. Next, click on create. Next, and again you go to next. Now specify here the size. So let us suppose 3 GB. Click on create. Now click on choose. If you scroll down, the newly added disk is the default one that is selected. So simply click on choose. You can see that a new disk is added. Click OK, and now we have added a new disk of 3 GB. That's it. So you can start your system now, and if you run the lsplk command, you will see the entry for the 3 GB disk. Alright, now let us see how we can do the same thing in VMware. The procedure is pretty much the same. So you open VMware, select the desired virtual machine and click on edit virtual machine settings. On this window, click on add, then click on hard disk, next, click next. So already the recommended type is selected, so simply click on next. Again next, create a new virtual disk. Here you specify the size. So let us suppose that the size again is 3 GB. Click on next. So this is the name that will be given. Finish, and you can see that we have added a disk of 3 GB. That's it. So pretty straightforward procedure. Now you can start up the system again, and you will see that the new disk of 3 GB is added. In a similar way, you can add multiple disks, and now you are good to practice disk partitioning or your logical volume management. For more such videos, do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.